Oh, Mongo, why you do this? Hey, oh, you a bad little bitch, huh? Let me see you do it on a dick, huh? Fuck it up, bitch, for a crib pine. Everybody know I had a good run. I was really in the field, really breaking in them houses, kinda like a big deal. I was the first to go viral, facts. And now I'm in the hills with the tigers, big house, now I'm lounging. I ain't never had allowance. Motion, really out here tripping in these streets. Thief up in the night, I be really out creeping. All about the money, and you know we throw up J's. Me and all my niggas really in this whole geeking. We be going dummy, everybody activated. If you say you love me, baby, come and give me all your paper. If you a op that's on the gang, evacuate. Fuck it, I'ma air it out, cause it's too late. We finna rock out, bring the mop out, ain't no knockouts. Tell me why we got these niggas spooked when we pop out. Watch out, nigga, watch out, ringing shots out. We don't do no drive-bys, bitch, I hop out. Chase a nigga down, chase a nigga down. Why you tryna run? Look, I'ma shoot this gun just for fun. I've been shot a couple times, let me show you how I feel. I've been on my grind, I ain't never need a deal. I got a bitch who can run me up a mill. Yeah, I do this shit for real. That's that shit right there. That's my shit right there. Look, I'm a real boss, baby. I do this shit for real, man. All you niggas rap cap, rapping about my life, rapping about the shit that I do that I don't even mention. Look, shit crazy. Like bad bitches, real trap bitches, bad bitches, real trap bitches. I only like bad bitches, real trap bitches, yeah, bad bitches, real trap bitches. I only like trap bitches who get to the door. I only like fast whips that'll get me gone. I've been running from the law for so damn long. I think everybody know I'm Mr. Chili Mo. I think I'ma break a bitch and I'ma let her go. She don't think I know. Back then she was for the bro. Automatic no. What the fuck? You a silly hoe. But look, hey, I'ma let you get me thrown. Back up and then act up. Who the fuck is you? Just forgot your name, little baby. Get a bitch to boo. 40K up on my neck. Bet you I'm gon' shoot. Best thing coming out of Watson. That's the fucking truth. I know they don't like me, but they ain't nothing new. I swear to God, a nigga cross this line, your ass is through. Catch a body, go to Vegas and get low. Ooh, 100K, it wasn't nothing, I need more. Look, I only like bad bitches, real trap bitches, bad bitches, real trap bitches. I only like bad bitches, real trap bitches, yeah, bad bitches. Look, real trap bitches. BladeWarz, baby. Like, they tryna let me down in the system. They tryna let me down in the system. They tryna let me down up in the system. Like, is it really worth how we living? Like, is it really worth it how we living? I'm the suspect before the victim. Look, so let me know if you really ready to ride. So let me know if you gon' hold it when I slide. Shit, girl, you playing with your life. Hop in this car, you gon' gamble with your life. Shit, I ain't gon' even lie. Luckily, I know how to do it right. But if I see an enemy, it's on sight. Like, oh, you got a thing on you. And now I see why they wanna hate on you. And I can pull up and just, okay, I can pull up and put that thing on you. Like off the wall, I got you going crazy. Now you say you wanna have my baby. And I love my thing on you. And I'ma let it ring on you. Cause I've been busy getting to the money. I'm addicted to the honey. Don't let me weigh in the system. I'm the suspect before the victim. Na 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 na. Oh, I had the running down, had the gunning down. I'm getting money now, getting money now. I remember we was out looking for the bag. I remember I would catch a nigga doing bad. But that was what I had to do. And now I got a whole different attitude. I'm on a different latitude. I told that little bitch I'm finna break on you. Yeah, hundreds on hundreds, they on me. Keep it going, little baby, it's on you. Already seen the future, my nigga, I'm lonely. So bitch, I don't really need your time. And it's crazy how they change on you. Man, it's crazy how they change on you. Most hated. Hey, let me talk to him. I don't play around. Yeah. I see these niggas going broke, tryna keep up with the band, man. Hear my song playing, they like, ooh, we can't stand him. Got his baby mama popping pussy on a handstand. And the way she eat this dick, I wouldn't want her back. It's my third time thumbing through 100 racks. Now I see why little buddy wanted shorty back. I gave the bitch 12 bands, she brought 30 back. Me and you is not the same, bitch, I'm really that. Bitch, I'm really him, I ain't one of them. I done broke a lot of hoes, but I'm not a pimp. Acting like you wanna go, I don't play around. I was 17, sending bitches on the Greyhound. But I ain't all dependent on no bitch, I get my own cheese. They just wanna see a nigga win, so they throw the feed. Meanwhile, I'm sagging up the third, getting good head. Had a long day, I was getting to some good bread. Hit the studio, I got that chop on me. Ready for whoever tryna plot on me. Cause water around the city is some guap on me. Man, and that shit funny. Cause them niggas that be hating, they don't get no money. You gotta do that shit yourself, but you ain't no dummy. Ay, it won't be easy. Ay, they wanna beat me, big bang rolls. Never going broke, I'ma do it for my baby, I'ma do it for the road. And they know I go crazy, they know I'm gon' blow. Never been, never fold, yeah, I'm sticking to the code. I done gave $1,000 to like 20 niggas. I can't wait to get enough to feed the whole village. I'm a diamond in the rough, I know I'm the realest. Yeah. If you catch me in the Benz, it got a G on it. Throw that bitch in sport, let me say something. Yeah, I got the torch, they tryna keep up. I got the torch, they tryna keep up. They tryna keep up. You ain't gotta like it, but you gon' respect it. I'm back, baby. Look.